Over the course of the semester, I made many changes to my online course. During this video, I will highlight some of those changes. First, in the faculty information area, I have reworked my information into 3 sections: instructor information, about me, and certifications. The instructor information contains my office hours, phone number, email address, office location, as well as my avatar. In addition, there's a link to the Western Wake campus map, within the instructor information, I have also changed the structure of this information. Instead of using the standard faculty information, we created an item so that we could provide students with a bulleted list of my information. This makes it easier for students to access. My students have had trouble getting started in the course. To help them through the process of taking the course entry quiz and reviewing the necessary materials, I created a Powtoon which contains screenshots from Blackboard with text and shapes to highlight the important items. I have also added a course tour video located in Course Resources. This video walks students through the important buttons along the left-hand side of the screen and goes into detail about where to find key information along the way. Going into this semester, I already used learning modules as part of my course. However, with the help of my instructional designer, we were able to condense some of the wordiness as well as add visual aids for students in the form of icons and buttons. Icons are used for attendance checks, discussion board posts, and the weekly checklist. For each section folder, I added a button. Now, when a student gets to a new folder in the module, they will see that they are starting a new section instead of simply seeing a blank screen. I used a form of weekly checklist that my instructional designer created for a colleague. It works well for my course as well and has helped decrease the wordiness of my previous weekly checklists. This weekly checklist has a more bulleted list of items for the students to complete, and then within each item, students will get a more detailed bulleted list. Again, I have cut down on the wordiness of these items so that students' attention will be drawn to the most important things that they need to accomplish.